What's up, everyone? Mr. Klausner here. Today is March 31st. This will be for March 31st and April 1st, which I will be absent, so I've got some announcements. But let me share my screen. Click present. What are we doing today? This is the Wednesday and the Thursday of the week. Just a reminder, we have no school Friday, no school Monday. I'm also absent. I'll be out on the tomorrow and the Tuesday. My family is visiting. Remember, we'll have our check-in today, Wednesday. We got some birthdays this week, Stanley and Gideon, and also next week, Brody, Lloyd, and Calais. So just shout out to those guys. So what are we doing today? We're going to review the country profile and the budget analysis, which is due next April 9th. Sorry, so not next Friday, but the one after. The coming out Friday is the 2nd. This one's due on the 9th. We'll go over that a little bit. I also reposted that to week 32. So everything is good to go for week 32's assignments in Google Classroom because I will be out spending some time with my family this week. We'll have a new lesson, review exponents and square roots. There's a little mystery time in there. And then stretch, freckle, budget analysis, and country profile. And then time to work on the homework. That's what we're doing. So just to review exponents, we have our base and then we have our exponent. Remember, multiplication is repeated addition. Exponents are repeated multiplication. So this would be 8 to the 3rd power. The exponent's 3. The base is 8. And so here are some examples. We have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which would be 2 to the 5th power. We think about how many factors that is of 2. It's 5 times. It's 2 times itself 5 times. The next one would be 7 times 7. So tell me what that's going to look like. It's going to be 7 squared, or 7 to the 2nd power. We also have 12 times 12 times 12, which would be 12 to the 3rd power. So go ahead. Those of you online can solve these for me. You have 4 to the 3rd power, 2 squared, negative 3 to the 4th, and go ahead and solve those. You guys got this. Send those to me in an email. Additionally, we have perfect squares and square roots explained. So a perfect square would be a number like 64. If I were to square root it, which is the opposite of squaring it, I'm going to get its factor of 8, which would be 8 times 8 equals 64. So we've got perfect squares. We've reviewed this. So here you can see some perfect squares on the clock. So you can see the square root of 81 would be 9, and that'd be 9 a.m. or p.m. So go ahead and solve these. You're going to see there, you just got to think about what number times itself is going to equal the number inside that square root symbol. Okay, and then this was what we went over the other day. That's all I got for you, trying to keep these short. Saw some great responses. Shout out to all you guys that are doing your work and staying on it. I know it's tough, and I know we don't meet too much, but we will be meeting today, and make sure you're just being self-directed learners. I miss you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.